Chapter 7. The environment that builds or breaks you. Your environment is not neutral. It is shaping you every second. It is influencing your behavior, your discipline, your mood, your energy, and your identity. Most people underestimate this. They think their environment is just a background. But your environment is a force. You don't rise above your environment, you reflect it. A cluttered space creates a cluttered mind. A chaotic room creates chaotic behavior. A distracted environment creates a distracted identity. If you want to change your life, you must first change the space that surrounds your life. You can't build a disciplined identity in a messy environment. You can't build a focused mind in a noisy one. You can't build a powerful routine in a place that pulls you backward. Your environment either supports your goals or suffocates them. Point 1. Your environment controls your habits more than your motivation does. People think they lack discipline, but the real problem is environment design. If your phone is next to you, you will scroll. If junk food is within reach, you will eat it. If your workspace is chaotic, you will procrastinate. If your bed is comfortable and your schedule is loose, you will sleep in. Your environment shapes your decisions before you even think about them. It pushes you toward or away from the identity you want to become. Winners design their environment intentionally. They create spaces that make good habits automatic and bad habits inconvenient. They simplify their surroundings so their mind stays clear. You must build an environment that works for you, not against you. Point 2. The people around you shape you more than you admit. Energy is contagious. Habits are contagious. Mindsets are contagious. If you surround yourself with people who complain, you will complain. If you surround yourself with people who hesitate, you will hesitate. If you surround yourself with people who are comfortable staying the same, you will stay the same. You don't just absorb values from your environment, you absorb identities. Look at your circle. What do they normalize? What do they tolerate? What do they avoid? What do they fail to commit to? Because their normal eventually becomes your normal. If people around you settle, you will shrink. If people around you grow, you will expand. You don't need more motivation. You need better surroundings. You don't need more discipline. You need people who take discipline seriously. You don't need more self-belief. You need an environment that reinforces belief instead of killing it. Your environment is a mirror. It reflects the identity you will eventually adopt. Surround yourself with growth. Surround yourself with action. Surround yourself with people who take themselves seriously. Because the wrong environment can break you, but the right environment can rebuild you. Point 3. You must upgrade your environment before you upgrade your identity. You cannot build a new version of yourself in the same environment that built the old one. Your environment locks your habits in place. It reinforces your patterns. It reinforces your identity. If you want transformation, you must disrupt your surroundings. Clean your space. Remove distractions. Rearrange your desk. Change your routines. Unfollow negative voices. Limit draining people. Add structure. Add clarity. Add cues that push you toward the life you want. Your environment should remind you of your goals. It should support your discipline. It should reinforce your identity. It should make progress easier, not harder. When you redesign your environment, your behavior follows. When your behavior follows, your identity shifts. And when your identity shifts, your entire life elevates. Your environment is not decoration. It is the system that shapes your future. You upgraded your environment. Now it's time to upgrade your decisions. Next chapter, the power of choosing the hard path.